Welcome to Pixelart. Here's where you're going to be able to draw your own pixel um, drawing. Now, over here on the left side, you're going to see there's a bunch of tools. If you hover your mouse over it, you can see what the tool does, like a pencil or an eraser. And you have to click the tool, it'll turn blue, and then you know it's selected. If you scroll down, you can also see here are your color choices. So, like, let's say I want to draw in black. I'm just going to click on the screen. You can also slide these faders up and down to get different colors too. But once you choose your color, you're going to hit select color. You're also going to choose how big you want your pixels to be. So let's see. I'm going to go up here and I need my pencil, and then I'm going to change it from 1. You can see there's a 1 here. I'm going to go 4. And I'm just going to I want to make I'm going to make a heart. So I'm just going to draw with my mouse. There's my heart. And I think I'm going to fill my heart in with color. Now, the cool thing about this is I don't have to go square by square. I can just choose a color. So you notice that little circle there? That tells you where the hues are. I think I need it to be more red. There we go. Make sure once you get the color the way you want it, you click the blue button, select color. And I'm going to use the paint bucket. See how I turned it blue? I'm going to fill in my heart. Voila. And I think, you know what? I think this heart needs a little personality. So I'm going to go back to my pencil tool. I'm going to slide my pixel size. I'm going to do like maybe a pixel 2. That should be good. And I want to make some little eyeballs and a little smiley face. So I need a contrasting color. I need a color that's going to be different. I think I'm going to go with green. I'm going to hit select. And now I'm just going to draw in some eyeballs. Well, this is getting difficult here. It's kind of small. I'm going to zoom in. Now I can more easily see how to make the eyeballs. All right. They don't have to be perfect. And then I think we need a little smiley face, but I think I'm going to drop that down to 1 pixel because I don't want my smiley face to be that wide, that thick. So I'm just going to draw a little bit of cheeks there, right? But the eyes look kind of blank. So I think what I'm going to do is use white. Now here's the cool thing. You can use these arrows to switch it. Now it's white. So if I go in here and I just add some highlights, right? I just get a little shiny. And now you can see. Now, if I make a mistake, I can simply click the undo button and it will stop. Like, no. Let's go like this. There we go. And those are the details I can use. Now, say you do your design, you're working on it, and you're like, not really feeling the design. I think I want a new one. You can simply go File, New, or Clear. So I can hit Clear. And it's going to say, this is going to clear it. Are you okay? And you just click OK. Clear is the easier one to do. With New, it like pops up all these choices. Just click Clear. If you click it by accident, you're like, click Cancel, and your drawing will stay where it is. If you have any other questions, please feel free to raise your hand. I will